Hey guys, Doomsday Tester here, and today we will be testing the Sledgehammer. Last episode we tested it. That did pretty good, but you know, the clutch kind of bent. But further ado, Sledgehammer. First off, we're gonna go for a simple strike to the right, which I always do. Then I guess we'll do that.
Then you can do sideways.
Oh yeah, then you can go sideways. Then I'll get to go like that. Or maybe a jab, who knows. But let's do a right strike in 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. So, I think I made 3 dents. One there, one here, and one on the back. So that would really hurt somebody, maybe kill. But right now, let's go with that. In 3, 2, 1. 1. So obviously doing that way is the way to go. The cameraman got soaked, and he's really not that far away, so not really good if you want to stay clean, but mostly got on the weapon except for him. But yeah,
It worked good for speed and power.
speed. What?
Yeah, speed, dude. Think about it.
Yeah. Okay. But thank you guys for watching. That was the Sledgehammer. If you guys like this episode, please like and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. And thank you guys for watching. Survive.